Hi guys, I'm just making a video about Antigravity and Google APIs and effectively the mess that they're in at the present moment. They have multiple systems which don't seem to be able to talk to each other. The Antigravity is so far behind everything else. It's just a nightmare. All I'm trying to do is get this application, this website, which is effectively just a front load for my OpenClaw, to go and build an AI assistant. And I have had nothing but problems constantly trying to get the APIs to talk to, firstly, the Firebase console, which is where I'm hosting this, and then getting the API to actually communicate correctly. It's just buggy left, right, and center. Google, you need to do something about this. It just seems ridiculous. I don't mind spending time learning stuff, but for the amount of time I've spent just trying to get, and I'll bring up the application. Where is it? Yeah, actually it won't run at the moment because it's actually failed. Trying to get the AI assistant inside the application to work correctly. I know how many times in Antigravity it's told me, yes, I've done it, it should be fine now. Just run this API key, it should be fine. Oh no, we don't do that model. Oh, the model doesn't exist. And over again, I have spent bloody days trying to get a stupid AI assistant just to be part of this web page. It has no problems with basics. It can create web pages. The web pages are not great looking, but they are at least web pages. But for God's sakes, for such a large company, get your finger out and actually do something about how it responds to all its other bits and pieces, because it's just like scroll on. Oh no, that's not right, it didn't work. Oh, we better try this. Oh no, that API is now broken, but it's not. Oh, we've got the wrong model. Oh no, we haven't. It's just crazy. Gemini is a great program for the basics, but it doesn't make any sense. And I pay for it. I pay for it at the present moment. I pay the base for the Pro. I pay for the workspace at the present moment for different accounts. But at the moment, I don't see the point. It really drives me insane to think that the amount of effort I've got to do to just get an AI assistant to be attached to a web page and it's not just once. Every time I've created a new project, it just doesn't understand the previous project information. It just says, oh, we're going to do it this way. And it's completely different every time. It doesn't even understand the basics of what I've done in previous project. It just goes, we're going to do it a different way now. And you can say, no, let's stay with this type of program. And it goes, oh yeah, we'll change it to that. But no, and then you'll spend 20 to 40 hours trying to get APIs to work correctly. Just needs to be fixed. Sorry guys, I don't mean to rant. I don't often rant. I don't often come on camera, but please Google, do something. I mean, I spend good money on your system and it just is ridiculous. Thanks.